Hey guys, welcome back to NEMT Van Talks. I'm Jasmine.
And I'm Monica.
And today we are just going to talk about how we went about finding insurance for our NEMT business when we started back in 2019.
Yeah. So when we started back in 2019, initially we did a lot of research, just shopping around in the industry, just trying to learn a little bit more about the type of insurance we would need. And so luckily we had built a relationship with this individual that was once in the NEMT industry, and she shared with us her insurance agent, and we reached out. We explained to her what we were trying to do and the type of insurance we needed for our vehicles, and she shopped around on our behalf. And when she brought us back a quote, the first quote at the time was about, I think, $7,000.
Yeah.
Again, that was initially when we were just doing our research, our due diligence. A couple of months passed when we were ready to purchase our insurance policy. The quote, we got several quotes back. I think we got a quote back for like $21,000, one for $17,000, and I think the cheapest one we got was for $13,000, and that was per vehicle.
Right. So we got the quote for $7,000. At the time we got the $7,000 quote, we were not ready to move forward because we had not yet purchased the vehicle. We were just kind of shopping around to see how much insurance was going to cost us. And then once we finally purchased our vehicle, which was like maybe 5 months later, we went back to the same insurance agent, and she shopped around for a new quote. And like Monica said, she came back with those high quotes.
Yeah.
And we were like, why did it increase so much over a short period of time? And she just explained to us that it wasn't, any of our driver history or anything like that. No. It was just that these insurance companies don't like to write policies for new businesses. I think at that time there was only like two insurance companies that were writing new business
in California, right?
And the premiums were really high.
The premiums just were really high, and either one, it wasn't writing new insurance policy, or two, because you were a new owner coming into the industry, they didn't want to take a risk on writing you an insurance policy. So those were the issues that we kind of ran into. However, we also get asked a lot of times, like, what do you guys do? How do you pay for your insurance?
So let's tell them how we pay for it. So, like when you first start your business, you want to make sure that that you open up a business bank account, checking account. And so in doing that, you also want to go ahead and apply for business credit cards, lines of credit. Those are all options of different ways that you can go about paying for your insurance if you need to, if you don't have the cash up front.
Or when you're first getting started, if you're starting a new business, if you want to write that into your business plan, if you want to set aside cash for the next 3 to 6 months to cover your expense of paying your insurance, you can. You just have to make sure that you include that into your business plan. That's something else to consider.
Also, but with us, so just back to the story, we got the quote. We didn't have a choice. So it was like, okay, we have this van, we have our company, we have to get started. So we were later hit with, once we told our insurance agent, yes, we're ready to move forward, we were thinking that we were able to make monthly payments on this premium, and we weren't. The amount had to be paid up front for the year. We didn't have the option of paying monthly. Although I know in some states they do. Different insurance companies will give you the ability to pay monthly, but this particular insurance company didn't give us that option. So it was either pay in full or go with a third party lender. Take a loan, and they would attach 15%?
15%. So the cost went up to like
$3,000 more
on top of the original premium. It was additional $3,000.
Yeah, so we didn't want to go that route. So we went ahead and just took care of the cost that we needed to, because we knew that this business was a lucrative business and that we would be able to make our money back in no time.
Yeah.
So
those are just things to consider when you are doing your research, your due diligence. And again, before you get into the business, of course, shop around, go ahead and get quotes so you'll know what to expect, so you won't be, caught off guard. So this just quick little tips, things that you can do. Find you a good agent to work with. Go ahead and have them to shop around for different quotes. That way, when you're ready to start operating your business and you reach back out, you have a good general idea of what to expect and you won't be caught off guard.
And I will say, like, in this industry, insurance is probably the highest the most expensive thing that we have, as far as expenses. So, that's, once you make it past that insurance issue or what have you, you're good to go. You'll be on your way to generating revenue so that you can continue to grow and scale your business. So we just wanted to share our story with you. If you have any questions in regards to anything that we mentioned, definitely go ahead and leave a comment below. Or, if you want to just kind of share with us what challenges you're having, we're able to do a discovery call. Go ahead and look on our Instagram page, or we'll put a link below for you to schedule a 15-minute discovery call. That's also available to you. But other than that, we're going to hop off. I hope this information was helpful to someone out there. And like always, best of luck to you and your business journey. And we wish you well.
Ciao. Till next time, guys. Bye.